This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare the Mercedes-Benz GLS 400D and the BMW X7. We'll dive into their key differences and help you decide which luxury SUV best fits your lifestyle. Both vehicles offer impressive features, but they cater to slightly different preferences. Let's explore what makes each of these premium three-row SUVs stand out, from their powerful engines to their opulent interiors and advanced driver assistance systems. Get ready to discover your next dream SUV. When it comes to performance, the Mercedes-Benz GLS 400D features a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder turbocharged diesel engine, delivering 330 horsepower and 700 newton-meters of torque. This provides a smooth, powerful, and refined ride, ideal for long journeys. The BMW X7, particularly the xDrive 40D, also boasts a 3.0-liter inline six-cylinder turbo diesel, offering 259 kilowatts of power and 720 newton-meters of torque, often with mild hybrid technology. The X7 generally offers a more engaging and dynamic driving feel, with precise steering and agile handling for its size. Inside, both SUVs are sanctuaries of luxury. The Mercedes-Benz GLS offers a plush feel with high-quality leather and supportive seats, emphasizing comfort and elegant design. It features dual 12.3-inch screens for infotainment and instrumentation, powered by the M-Bux system. The BMW X7 counters with a driver-focused cockpit, featuring a curved display integrating a 12.3-inch instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch central touchscreen with iDrive 8.5. Both offer multi-zone climate control and panoramic roofs, ensuring a premium experience for all 7 passengers. When considering practicality, the Mercedes-Benz GLS generally offers more cargo space, with 470 liters behind the third row compared to the BMW X7's 326 liters. Both SUVs feature power-folding third-row seats and air suspension that can lower the vehicle for easier loading. Ultimately, your choice depends on whether you prioritize the GLS's refined comfort and slightly larger cargo capacity, or the X7's dynamic driving and intuitive infotainment. Before we wrap up, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.